Manufacturing is undergoing a fourth revolution. Technology and the internet has transformed the way we work. Software and manufacturers need to evolve to compete in today's market. SYSPRO's Manufacturing Operations Management solution offers a new and unique level of delivery, cost, and quality control of manufacturing operations for job shop, batch production, production line, and mixed-mode environments. Using latest technologies, the solution can effectively schedule, publish, collect, track, analyze, and help to improve human and machine execution of orders on the shop floor, resulting in faster delivery and lower production costs. Measure performance and drive toward world-class standards of operation for overall labor effectiveness, overall equipment effectiveness, and total effective equipment performance. Increase productivity and lower costs by minimizing loss. Optimize operations through better workflow of core manufacturing activities. Connect machines and other devices to digitize your factory and gain competitive advantage. Whether considering the investment from a strategic, financial, operational, or technological viewpoint, there is a significant return. Plan, produce, and perform like never before. Contact SYSPRO to arrange a demonstration today.